How to fix Android system USB connector connected or disconnected. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your Android system USB connector connected or disconnected. In order to fix it, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now whenever you're connecting a USB cable with your computer or any other portal, then you might be receiving a statement as USB connected, connector, something issue, something like that, reflecting on your screen. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is, all you have to do is go to your settings. Right on this page you'll have to go to about phone section. So over here you'll be able to find a build number, so you'll have to tap on it for 7 times. Once you're done completed the 7 steps, next moving on to the other, what you'll have to do is you need to go to system. Now this highly depends on the particular device that you're using. In my case I'm using a Realme, so if you're using a Samsung device, then interface might quite not resemble. Then make sure to go through the settings. However, the procedure is going to remain the same in order to fix the issue. Once you've tapped on the build number and open up your system, here you'll need to go ahead and look for developer options. Once you locate developer option, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see the section as debugging. So you'll have to toggle a button for USB debugging. Make sure to confirm it, and as soon as you've done that, here you'll be able to find this option for default USB configuration. So after you locate default USB configuration, tap on it. Here you need to go ahead and select only charging phone. After that, you'll be able to fix Android system USB connector connected or disconnected issue. So in that way you can fix it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.